AI and non-AI robots. All the robots that are available in the market are not AI enabled. Some of them are non-AI robots that look similar to AI robots. Let us understand the AI and non-AI robots. AI robots. AI gives robots a computer vision to navigate, sense and calculate their reaction accordingly. These robots are called AI-enabled robots. Let us learn about some of the popular AI robots. Curie. It is also known as an intelligent robot which can understand context and surroundings, recognize specific people and respond to questions with facial expressions, head movements and unique sounds. Sophia. A humanoid is a kind of robot which resembles a human. Sophia is, till now, the most famous social humanoid. It was released in 2016 and now she has become a media personality. She is the first humanoid to receive citizenship in Saudi Arabia. Able. Able is a robotic dog. It can develop emotional bonds with family members and provide love, affection and joy in nurturing and raising a companion. 𝐂𝐥𝐚𝐬𝐬. 𝐂𝐿 is a disaster relief robot. It can walk like humans. It is flexible, solid and waterproof. It is capable of handling a variety of different potential issues caused in a disastrous situation. Handle. The handle can navigate on a small wheel. It can roll back and forth, spin in circles, go down steps, jump, squat and pick up boxes. It can plot paths in snowy hills and perform stunts too. NASA Puffer. Puffer is a space rover from NASA. It is lightweight, can fold in narrow terrain and expand on flats. It can also wholly flatten itself to crawl and move under a shallow surface. Snake Robot. It is a search and rescue device. Imagine after an earthquake, it could reach trapped survivors to supply water. It has a fixed tail on one end and the other end has a camera. The movement is always in the camera's direction. Humanoid Shalu. Shalu is a multilingual and social humanoid robot made up of waste material. Shalu can speak 47 languages, of which 9 are Indian languages and 38 foreign languages. Some other humanoids are also available, like Manav, India's first 3D printed humanoid robot. Rashmi is the world's first Hindi-speaking and India's first realistic lip-syncing humanoid robot. Non-AI robots. The robots which work automatically but have no intelligence and no ability to sense are known as non-AI robots. Cobots. Cobots are also called collaborative robots. Cobots work alongside human beings. A cobot is designed to work with people and not to replace people. Cobots are used by manufacturers of lighting, mobile phones, speakers, computers, and more. Industrial robots. Typical applications of these types of robots includes welding, painting, assembly, palletizing, product inspection, and testing, all accomplished with high stamina, speed, and accuracy. They can assist in material handling. Agriculture robots. Emerging applications of robots or drones in agriculture include weed control, cloud seeding, planting seeds, and soil analysis. Robots are used to pick apples, gather strawberries, harvest lettuce, and strip away weeds.